In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to use completing the square to convert from standard form to vertex form. Now, you have to make sure you've already watched the video that explains how to do completing the square where it teaches you the cheer. Let's go over the cheer real quick. Move a constant to the other side, factor out, and divide. Take half of b and square it, then add it to both sides. Then factor and solve. Then factor and solve. All right, like the first line of the cheer. Move the constant to the other side. My constant is -5, so I'm going to add 5 to both sides. And then I have x squared minus 12x plus space, and that's because this is gone. 0 plus 5 gives me 5. And then plus space. You will have both blanks on both sides of the equation because you have to balance it out. So let's move the constant to the other side, factor out, and divide. That second line, we're going to go ahead and skip that step because there's nothing to factor out and divide. Take half of b and square it. Now, my b is -12 because that's the number in front of x. So I'm going to take half of that, which equals -6. I'm going to square it, which will equal positive 36. And then like the cheer says, take half of b and square it, then add it to both sides. So I'm going to add 36 to both sides of the equation. When I do that over here on the right side, 5 plus 36 will give me 41. Move the constant to the other side, factor out, and divide. Take half of b and square it, then add it to both sides. Then factor. Okay, so now we're going to factor this trinomial that's right here. And remember what I taught you in class, the shortcut? All you have to do is look at the number that you squared. In this case, I squared that -6. Put it in parentheses with x. So I'm going to have x minus 6 squared. That's how you factor that trinomial. All right? Move the constant to the other side, factor out, and divide. Take half b and square it, then add to both sides. Then factor. Now, usually we will solve, but in this case, we're only converting it to vertex form. So all I have to do is make this equation equal 0. The only way it's going to equal 0 is if I get rid of that 41. So since it's positive 41, I'm going to subtract 41 on both sides. Now over here, I will have 0, but I can't technically subtract 41 from 6 because 6 is inside the parentheses. So I'll just write it out. Now I have converted it into vertex form. And just in case they ask me what the vertex is, remember, you take the opposite of the number in the parentheses, so that'll be a positive 6, and whatever that last number is, -41, that will be my vertex. And that's it.